Before understanding Putty, let us first understand about SSH protocol. SSH stands for Secure Shell. It is a network protocol that gives users, particularly system administrators, a secure way to access a computer over an unsecured network. When an SSH client connects to an SSH server, the server verifies the client's identity by asking for a password or some other form of authentication. If the authentication is successful, the server creates a secure channel between the two systems, which is encrypted and provides confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity. In addition to providing strong encryption, SSH is widely used by network administrators to manage systems and applications remotely, enabling them to log into another computer over a network, execute commands, and move files from one computer to another. As of now, in most data centers, SSH ships by default with every Unix, Linux, and Mac server. SSH connections have been used to secure many different types of communications between a local machine and a remote host, including secure remote access to resources, remote execution of commands, delivery of software patches, updates, and other administrative or management tasks. In addition to creating a secure channel between local and remote computers, SSH is used to manage routers, server hardware, virtual platforms, operating systems, and file transfer applications. Now, let us understand about Putty, which will help us to implement SSH communication. Putty is a free and open source terminal emulator, serial console, and network file transfer application. It supports several network protocols including SSH, Telnet, RLogin, and SCP, and allows users to connect to a remote machines and servers over a network. Putty is commonly used by system administrators, network engineers, and developers for remote management and troubleshooting of servers and network devices.